Welcome to Exciting 14. Let us see 14 amazing and interesting facts about India. Number 14. Highest cricket ground. Basically, India is a cricket-loving nation. The Chale Cricket Ground in Himachal Pradesh is located at 2,444 meters above the sea level. That make the highest ground in the world. It was built by Bhupinder Singh, who is the Maharaja of Patiala, in 1893, and this ground is recorded as the world's highest ground by the Guinness Book. Number 13. Highest rail bridge. The arch-shaped Chenab Bridge in Jammu and Kashmir is going to be the highest bridge in the world. The bridge stands at the height of 359 meters over the river Chenab. The interesting thing is, the bridge is about 35 meters taller than the Eiffel Tower. Number 12. Most visited place in the world. Awarded by the World Book of Records, the Golden Temple of Amritsar is the most visited place in the world, with over 1 lakh devotees flocking at the shrine every single day. It was built as a place of worship for all religions, and is considered the holiest Gurdwara of Sikhism. It also includes the world's largest free kitchen, capable of serving food to 300,000 people a day. Number 11. 9 out of 10 world's highest peaks in India. Out of 10 highest peaks in the world, 9 highest peaks are in India. We all know the highest is being Mount Everest at the height of 8,848 meters above the sea level. In fact, the largest parts of the Himalayas are only in India. Number 10. Train population is equal to the population of Australia. Indian Railways are the largest rail network in the world, connecting more than 7,172 stations. The Indian Railways is the largest rail network in Asia, carrying over 23 million passengers daily in 12,617 trains. The interesting thing here is, people travel in train a day is equal to the population of Australia. Number 9. Highest motorable road. The world's highest motorable road welcomes you at Ladakh at an elevation of over 19,300 feet. This road connects Kardangla, Tanglangla and Changla. This project is named as Himank by the Border Roads Organization in the Ladakh region. This road gives a unique adventure to the visitors from all over the world. Number 8. World's first hospital train. The Lifeline Express, is known as the Jeevan Rekha Express, is the world's first hospital train providing healthcare to the people in the remote villages. It was a collaboration between the Impact India Foundation, Indian Railways and the Health Ministry. Its services ranging from surgeries to cancer treatment to the remote villages all over India. This initiative had made impact on both India as well as around the world. Number 7. Biggest family in the world. Mr. Zaila Channa is the head of the biggest family, consisting of 181 members. He has 39 wives, 94 children, 14 daughters-in-law, and 33 grandchildren. The total family is living in a 100-room mansion in Baktaung village of Mizoram. This family was featured in Ripley's Believe It or Not. This family is considered as the largest family in the world. Number 6. Floating post office. We all know that India has the most significant number of post offices in the world. But it also has its own floating post office. It is considered as India's first and only floating post office, and is also believed to be the only one of its kind in the world. It is a houseboat floating in the Dal Lake of Srinagar. It also includes a philately museum in it. Number 5. Kumbh Mela gathering. The Kumbh Mela is a spiritual event which held once in 12 years in northern India. It occurs at the 4 river bank pilgrimage sites, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati rivers in Allahabad. The Sikhs believe that bathing in these rivers is a means to prayasita for their past mistakes. In 2011, this religious gathering was so vast that it was visible from space through a satellite. It has attracted over 70 million people. Number 4. Houses without doors. Shani Shingnapur is a village in Maharashtra, where the houses don't have doors. Officially no theft was reported in the village. The people in the village believe that the Lord Shani stays as the guardian for their town. Villagers believe that God Shani punishes anyone attempting theft. These kind of unique things only happens in India. Number 3. Wettest place on earth. Mawsynram is a village in the East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya state. Mawsynram receives the highest rainfall in India. It is holding a Guinness record for highest average annual rainfall. Mawsynram is located at an altitude of 1,400 meters. It is reported as the wettest place on earth, with an average annual rainfall of 11,872 millimeters. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, Mawsynram received 26,000 millimeters of rainfall in 1985. Number 2. Voting poll for one voter. Mahan Bharatdas resides in a small hamlet called Banij in the middle of G Forest, in Gujarat. He is the most privileged voter in India. An election team travels 35 kilometers into the forest in Gujarat for this man to cast his vote. The voting poll set up for a single voter speaks about the democratic spirit of the country. Number 1. First rocket in a bicycle. In 1963, Indian Space Research Organization had launched its first rocket from Thumba Equatorial Launching Station. A local Catholic church served as the main office for the scientists. A cattle shed became the laboratory in which young Indian scientists Abdul Kalam worked. And the rocket was transported to liftoff pad on a bicycle. That was the first Indian rocket which is transported on a bicycle. Well, if you liked the video, let me know in the comment section below.